If you are someone who's been watching people create millions of dollars with digital products and have secretly wanted to create your own digital product, you have to watch this video till the end. Hi, I'm Paridhi and I'm a digital product coach and I teach people how to create and sell their own digital products. Having made over $300,000 in just 12 months of starting out as a complete beginner and over $100,000 with products I created for less than $100. Trust me when I say I have been through it all. Also, trust me when I say that I'm launching a new product, but I have no idea of even the topic that I'm going to be launching because I have decided to create this product with you. That's right. We are going to create and launch a new product that we create from scratch together. So, I mean, the content research, the scripting, the product name, to the product pricing, to the content that I'm going to be creating, the automations involved, the launch, the marketing, all of it right in front of you. So I think this will be a great learning experience for all of us. Honestly, I can create an entire product in less than 2 days and I can launch it in less than 7 days if I'm ambitious. But because it's a new project and I'm teaching complete beginners like yourself, I think a 30-day window would have been awesome. That is what my mentor also advised me. But given my travel schedule and then the YouTube video, the content creation part of my business, I think a 45-day period is awesome. So that's what I'm naming it. I'm calling it a 45-day challenge. And every single week, I'm going to be creating a video on an update on what's happening in this 45-day challenge. I'm launching this entire series on my Instagram. So I'll put a link in the description for my Instagram. Make sure you follow me on Instagram so that you can be a part of this entire series. And like I said, I'm going to be creating all of the videos every week on an update on what's happening in our 45-day challenge. There's also a link in the description to sign up to the waitlist so that we can have a launch party together when the product finally launches. And of course, for the weekly update, don't forget to subscribe the channel for more. I am so excited about it. Let's do this.